Hello, my friends. Are you tired of fake registrations and spam users on your site? With the Classified Listing mobile number verification add-on, you can verify real users by sending an OTP code during registration. But before processing, you must need to install mobile number verification add-on. Now let's get started. Firstly, go to the Classified Listing plugin dashboard, then Settings, then go to the MISC, and you will get several settings option for your SMS gateway. You will get 3 options for your gateway type like Google Firebase, Tele, or GIS SMS. Select the Google Firebase and configure your SMS gateway. Then for the OTP login, enable this system instead of email and password. And then save your changes. Now let's go to the listing form, and here you need to provide your phone number along with the OTP code, what you will get after providing your phone number. Then click on register, get this type of appearance for this. This is the one way to log in, but if you want, you can keep the email login system enabled alongside the OTP login system simultaneously. And after that, you will get 2 options to choose your default login visible, like OTP login or the email login. And see the difference here. Both are visible here. If you select OTP login, then you need to provide your phone number, and only then you can request to send an OTP. For the next step, you will need to just fill up your register form with your first and last name, the phone number, and then request OTP code. It will take a few seconds to verify this. While completing to send the OTP to your phone number, then just copy your OTP code number here. Then click on here to verify. Your verification has successfully done. And then provide your username, your email address, and the password. Confirm it again. And after that, click on register. And here it is, you have successfully registered. Now let's log out. And now we will try to log in with OTP. Provide your phone number. Click on here to send OTP to your phone number. After getting it, provide your OTP code here and then click on to log in. And see how quickly it is done. After trying the OTP login system, you can also able to log in with email. Provide your username or email address here and then your password. Then click on to log in. And how it works. So, as you have just seen, by going into the OTP settings, you can enable both OTP login and email login, allowing users to log in using either method. If you prefer, you can also disable the email login system and keep only the OTP login active. Just follow the steps shown on my screen carefully and you'll notice the changes taking effect immediately. This way, you can choose to enable both options or use only OTP login. Thank you for watching this tutorial.